Hey, welcome, Marianne, popping in on Wednesday, October 16th. It is my weigh-in Weight Watcher Wednesday. I did go to my meeting this morning. It was a good meeting. The sun has not come out yet at all today. It's already 4:40, so the sun's not coming out today. It's kind of a gloomy day. I did weigh in, and I lost 2 pounds. 2 pounds. So my roller coaster has gone this way this week. I've been actually I went now I need a little bit more of a dive. So because I want to get back to where I was, but at least I'm back in the right direction. And was it easy? No, it wasn't easy. I did have one day where I had 62 points. I ate 62 points, and I still had weeklies left. But that's because I had rollovers and activity points. I do track my activity points because my health insurance requires that, so that they're paying for my 1 year of Weight Watchers. They pay for it for diabetes prevention. So I do have to track my activity. And so with the rollovers and the activity points, and I had a day that was over 30 points, I still had weeklies left over because things were getting built back in. Just imagine if I didn't have those crazy days. Now I did not do any activity yesterday or today because I've run into a roadblock. So sometimes when I start doing good, bam, something happens. But I'm not going to let it get me down. I let it get me down yesterday. I just kind of laid down all day yesterday, felt sorry for myself, and rested. The meeting topic this week, well, the whole month is what fits us, right? How we fit in the program. And that's pretty much their whole marketing campaign right now, because they're going different directions with the GLP-1s, and then those of us at meetings, and then there's people on virtual, people just on the app. So whatever fits. This week, what fits as far as activity, like exercise. Are you someone who exercises or somebody who has to go exercise? I've always been quite active because I was a mail lady for years, and then I did get a job and I was active in that job. A couple days a week I did have to sit down, but then I kind of left my job, and now I've just been like, oh my gosh, I don't have any normal activity. I'm just here. I do have to, I've been in a depression for like 3 months, and I feel like I'm coming out of it now. I'm waking up, and I'm just like, I'm got to organize things, think, where am I headed my next act, right? I'm going to be 65 in December, so I can't believe it. I'm starting to get gray hair. It's in here somewhere. It's right there. I have some gray hair I'm getting. So things are coming. And right now it's the Medicare. I got to figure out how I'm going to sign up for that, and if I'm going to do the Part B or just stay with my postal. I don't know what's going on because the post office slammed a change this year. So just a lot of things I got to study. So I was pretty much studying that yesterday while I was feeling sorry for myself because I couldn't go on my walk. I'm having some muscle strain issue right now, and 3 days in a row it affected me on my walk. So you got to rest, Marianne. You got to let it heal, get better, and maybe not push so hard. I was pushing hard this week because I wanted to have a loss. I was doing 3.25 miles, and I wasn't backing down, but it didn't work for me. So with repetitive motion, sometimes it can irritate somebody's muscles, like mine, especially at my age. I haven't been diagnosed with any type of arthritis or anything, but who knows if that's coming around the corner? I don't know. That's why this Medicare is so important, because even though I'm quite healthy right now, I'm just getting at that age where things can happen. So I have to be very careful with that. So that's what's on my mind right now. So I got to think of some other activity to do now. So I have that strength machine. I did put it together so I can work these arms. I can do that. Well, I can't walk. I can do that. And then I think when I get back to walking, not going to do it every day. I'll make that an every other day thing, so that I don't overuse things and just hurt myself. But anyway, what do you do for exercise? Do you have any ideas of any kind of chair exercises? Or I don't have a swimming pool to go swimming at, so that's kind of not a thing. I wish it was, because I can swim. Uh, I don't know. Any ideas? Put them in the comments, and let's hear what you do for exercise. How do you fit exercise into your program, whatever weight loss program you're on? We know that the diet is pretty much 80%, exercise is about 20%. But I'm supposed to have that cardio for my, that's how that was one thing that helped me lower my cholesterol into the normal levels, was doing some cardio every day. So let's think. Should I get a boyfriend and go dancing? I don't know. Put your ideas down in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.